Now, the final interview today is with Jerry Canellis. He's the CEO of Immuron. Let's go to the interview. We're here with Jerry Canellis, CEO of Immuron. Jerry, welcome back to the show.
Thanks for having me again.
Jerry, Immuron is developing and commercializing oral immunotherapies for the treatment of gut-mediated diseases. Let's start with an overview of your platform and what makes it unique.
Yeah, sure. Our technology platform is based, as you said, on oral immunoglobulins derived from engineered hyperimmune bovine colostrum. This technology is like human intravenous immunoglobulins, which are derived from human plasma, and are products which generate about $16 billion in revenue in the US alone. The major difference between the two technologies is that we have the capability of producing highly specific immunoglobulins to any pathogenic bacteria, and our products are orally active. The bovine IgG that we use can withstand the acidic environment of the stomach and is resistant to proteolysis by the digestive enzymes found in the GI tract.
Jerry, Wall Street analysts cover your stock with a high buy rating. What's the essential value proposition? Why should investors take interest in Immuron today?
Well, Immuron is a clinical stage biopharmaceutical company targeting inflammatory mediated and infectious diseases with our oral immunoglobulin therapeutics. We have a validated technology platform with a registered asset which is generating growing revenue, and we have 2 lead clinical assets in phase II development for the treatment of fatty liver disease and Clostridium difficile infection. Fatty liver disease is forecast to be a $40 billion market opportunity for anyone playing in that space in the year 2020, and there's no therapeutic approved at the moment to tackle that particular disease. Clostridium difficile infection is also one of the hospital superbugs, and that's forecast to be a $1.5 billion business in the year 2020 as well. And they're the 2 arenas we currently are playing in.
While most small biopharma companies are pre-revenue, Immuron complements its larger development work with a revenue-generating product that treats traveler's diarrhea. Jerry, what can you tell us about this product, its sales, and what's the expected growth?
Yeah, sure. Travelan is our first product that we've taken to market. It is a listed medicine in Australia and in Canada, and we're fortunate enough to be able to sell the product into the US as a dietary supplement. The label claim is a preventative to traveler's diarrhea, and we're enjoying about $1.4 million worth of revenue last financial year, and we're seeing 20% growth in Australia, and the product is significantly selling in the US, particularly focused on the travelers' medical clinics.
Thank you. With multiple clinical trials underway, there will be several milestones investors can be looking for. Can you give us an overview of that timeline?
Yeah, sure. Currently, we have 4 phase II trials ongoing. 3 of our trials are focused on fatty liver. The company is sponsoring a program in NASH. We also have a pediatric non-alcoholic fatty liver disease study, and also a study targeting alcoholic steatohepatitis. And we've just recently initiated a trial on Clostridium difficile infection. Our NASH program is headed by Dr. Arun Sanyal from the University of Virginia. The study has recruited 133 NASH biopsy-positive patients. The last patient attended his last scheduled visit in October, and all 25 clinical sites are now closed. The database is locked and is undergoing quality review, and we anticipate reporting our top-line results in Q1 2018. We also have 2 NIH-funded studies. Dr. Miriam Voss from the Emory University is the lead principal investigator of our pediatric non-alcoholic fatty liver disease study. The study has recruited 10 of the targeted 40 patients, and we expect top-line results for this study to be reported in Q4 2018. Dr. Arun Sanyal is also a lead principal investigator for our alcoholic steatohepatitis study. And the study has recruited 40 out of the 66 targeted patients, and we anticipate seeing results reported in Q1 2019 for that program. We have also initiated, as I mentioned earlier, a clinical study focusing on Clostridium difficile infection. We're currently recruiting and targeting 60 patients for that particular project, and we hope to see top-line results reporting in Q4 2018.
How big is the market need for the products you have in development?
Well, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis and fatty liver disease in particular is forecast by analysts to be a $40 billion market in the year 2020. Currently, there is no medical product approved to treat the disease, so there is a huge unmet medical need. Clostridium difficile infections is also forecast to be a $1.5 billion marketplace in 2020 as well, and they're the two key clinical areas the company has focused its attention on.
Now, to recap, what's the main takeaway for investors? Why should they own your stock today?
Well, we are considerably undervalued as a biotechnology company playing in the fatty liver space and also the Clostridium difficile infection space. If you look at our peers, they have market capitalizations of over $200 million to $1 billion, and currently the company is its market cap is less than $20 million. With the reporting milestones that I've covered for the next 12 to 18 months, there is a significant upside in owning Immuron stock today.
Jerry, thanks for being on the show. We look forward to hearing more from you and Immuron in the near future.
Thanks for your time, guys.
Now, to get more information about Immuron Ltd, visit RedChip.com. While you're there, subscribe to our free weekly newsletter. You'll get updates about emerging growth companies. Also on the website, research reports, fact sheets, press releases, and much more. It's all free. Sign up today.